Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acreage. 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 Acreage refers to the total extent or area of land, usually measured in acres. It is commonly used in real estate, agriculture, and land management to describe the size of a piece of land. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the real estate listing describes the property's acreage as 10 acres. Why acreage is used in example number 1. Acreage is often used in property listings to convey the land size. Example number 2, the city's land use plan includes preserving green spaces with substantial acreage. Why acreage is used in example number 2. Acreage is used in urban planning to designate areas for conservation. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.